How will advertising to millennials differ than advertising to baby boomers? So, baby boomers is more of the older generation, which means that they probably like to see older, simpler type of um, advertising. I mean, millennials are now, they're kind of old too, but they still are brought up in this technological era, which the baby boomers kind of missed. They were already adults and working in the workforce when technology really hit off. So I think that millennials will definitely want more of the modern, creative advertising, while baby boomers most likely prefer the older one. What are the main values of Generation X and Y? And I Googled Generation Y because that isn't brought up in the videos, and that is millennials, so I hope that that's right. Um, and Generation X is the ones after, so they're like 30 something now, I guess. Because we're Generation C, the ones born in the 90s and forward. Um, I would say that the main difference in values is just, well, like, how do we see life? Like they talked about in the first video, like, oh, our parents told us that we could be anything we wanted and that pursuing happiness is the most important thing, while maybe the millennials still are a bit like stuck in the mindset of like, well, I want to create a family, I want to have economic stability rather than being happy and like just pursuing happiness, which is what I think that Gen Z, just bringing my generation and future generations too, to just pursue happiness. And like they talked about, I don't know if that's actually possible, but we're gonna try.